In a bowl, add whipping cream, a dash of vanilla extract, sugar, and this needs to be whipped until soft peaks form. Let's start the layering process. Place biscuits in your baking tray. Then spread your whipping cream on top. Here we have melted biscoff spread, and we're just going to pour that on top. Some crushed biscoff, and we just do the same thing all over again. Continue with the laying process until all your ingredients are finished. Make sure that the last layer is cream. I decorated the top with some crushed biscuits, and we're going to place this in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. And now all you have to do is enjoy.